Hi, my name is Sue. I'm with Georgia Career Institute on behalf of Expert Village, and we're going to talk about freehand nail art today. Now let's talk about how to do a full nail plate marble. Instead of doing just the tips, we'll do the whole nail. Again, apply the polish. Two coats, of course. And you quickly dab everything on. That one's big. Make sure your circles aren't too big, or else they'll just go everywhere, like what I just did, because the polish is too thick. Get your pin, make a figure 8. Okay, that's it.